In this video, I will show you how to export Google Contacts for Outlook CSV. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, click the Export icon on the left-hand side. A pop-up will appear. Select CSV for Outlook and then click Export. The CSV file will download to your computer, usually appearing in your Downloads folder or at the top of your browser. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Outlook 365 by searching for it and clicking the official website. Once you're on Outlook, sign in and go to the People section on the left-hand side. Here, select All Contacts, then click Import Contacts. A pop-up will appear. Locate the CSV file you just downloaded, click Open, and then Import. Within moments, you'll see all your Google Contacts appear in Outlook. If you have a large list, it may take a few seconds to fully sync. Always double-check that everything looks correct, and if any contacts are missing, you can repeat the process or re-export. And that's how to export Google Contacts for Outlook CSV.